Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So today's going to be another quick one. This is just a DIY deep conditioning treatment. So here is my avocado mask, which I'll be using for my hair. This is more of a steaming method. So here I'm using my avocado, and I'm just going to use half of that castor oil, grape seed oil, and fresh aloe vera plant. And of course we're going to need a bowl for that. So I'll be cutting just about half of that, and then, peeling that off and using just a gel for this. We're gonna have to strain the aloe vera after blending. Don't forget that, or it's gonna be a mess. So now that I've blended both the avocado and the aloe vera juice together, I am just going to add about 2 tablespoons of the grape seed oil, and then another tablespoon thereabout of the castor oil, and then just mix it together. Now with my steaming method, I usually use a heating cap, and so what I'm doing is covering it with a plastic cup and then going in again with the shower cup that came with the heating cap, and then just leaving the heating cap on, plugged in of course, for about 30 to 40 minutes. So I just sit down and watch a movie or something, and that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one and stay safe. Bye.